Okay, good morning ICT215 students. I'm sending this video as I stated in the email because I'm not going to hold class today. The lab is open because it's set in the schedule for our course to be in there from 11 to 11:50, so you're welcome to go in and work on your work or do it on your own time. There was no lecture today, so this really won't affect too much. My family, they're all sick, so I um I I won't be able to make it in. They're all pretty sick, so my apologies for that. But I think just if I give you this video, kind of go over what's due for next week and where to submit and all that stuff, that you should be fine. I'm going to look through this again because I don't think there's anything that's going to be out of the ordinary in terms of what you have to do with working with the charts. We pretty much went over everything on Monday in class. So you have two assignments that get submitted here. So you're now working and you should have started and finished this part one of the best office supplies, completing these tasks associated with that. So here's what you're going to need to do. There are 4 parts to this. So this is the first part you should have completed. Make sure you save that. This is the second part, and it's going to be related to that travails file that you worked on a couple weeks ago. So complete this, and then save those, because those are going to get submitted with these. So this is the second part, working with the annual budget that you were working on last week and the personal budget. So you're going to be asked to create a chart here for those, or some charts for those components of those budget charts. Now these are a little bit more tricky because there's a lot of data and selecting the data and that stuff. But just remember that select data on those contextual chart tools that pop up when you select the chart. You can select the data, and remember to hold down if the cells are non-adjacent. So if you have to select data in cell, A1 and B15 and D22, that if you hold down on the control key while you select it, it selects those multiple non-adjacent ranges. Okay, so again, I'm going to go back up here. So what's due for Monday then is this, and this. And that will all be submitted. So you save each one of those files. Okay, and then that will all get submitted here. So this is this is a Blackboard assignment submission. So you're going to attach the best office supplies, travails, personal monthly budget, and the annual budget files all here. So all this stuff up in these 2 areas gets submitted here. You will not email anything here. You're going to submit it all right here in Blackboard. Okay, and then the other down below that is just a reminder to bring a headset or earbuds or something to class next week, because we're going to be looking at some videos in class, which I think are really good, capture the material better than I could do in a 15 or 20-minute lecture. So make sure you bring those, and we'll do some work with formatting spreadsheets. Okay, that is it for now. I hope you all have a good day, and I hope you all have a good coming week, and we'll be here in a few days. That's it. Take care.